everybody, welcome aboard my channel and on to a new video. तो आज का जो वीडियो है ना मेरे लिए काफी ज़्यादा स्पेशल है because finally this video is going to be the most awaited Q&A video on my channel. So, around 6th of August मेरे चैनल पे 500 सब्सक्राइबर्स कंप्लीट हो गए थे and to celebrate that I decided to do a Q&A video on my channel which I am coming out with after completing 600 subscribers but never mind. यार देखो सिर्फ मैं लेजी नहीं हूँ यार, even you guys are amazing. Thank you so much to each and everyone who subscribed to my channel and also can we keep a target of 1000 subscribers by the end of next month maybe? Can we do that?
नहीं.
तो मैंने अपने Instagram पे एक स्टोरी डाली थी so that all of you can drop your questions और ऐसा मेरे को था कि ऐसा आराम से 20-30 questions तो आ जाएंगे so I'll select 10-15 out of them but this is what happened. तुम लोगों ने इतने सारे questions पूछे now it's going to be such a difficult task for me to choose some of the questions and make a video out of it because सारे questions अगर मैं डाल दूँ इस वीडियो में तो clearly ये वीडियो 1 घंटा लंबा हो जाएगा. There were so many questions and for this you guys deserve a road salute. इतने सारे questions में से तो कुछ questions select करना मेरी बस की बात है नहीं. तो what I decided और अगर मैं करता भी ना तो मतलब काफी bias हो जाता because I would have selected questions asked by my friends or people I know. So what I decided is to take the help of my father. So let's see what happened that day. मेरे को कुछ questions ऐसे हटाने भी पड़े क्योंकि बापूजी के पास वो questions नहीं लेके जा सकता मैं, समझ लो तुम. Hi guys, welcome to the 8th of August. मैं अभी बस बाहर गया था, अभी अपने रूम पे आया and guess what, मेरा जो Q&A का स्टोरी था उसका 24 घंटा हो गया है and I've got all the questions and you guys are just amazing. इतने सारे questions आए कि मतलब it's so difficult for me to choose. So what I decided is my father has just come from the office, so why not take his help और देखते ना उनको देते questions, अगर वो मेरे लिए choose कर देते तो मेरा थोड़ा सा ना काम easy हो जाएगा. तो लेट्स गो टू हिम. एक छोटा सा हेल्प चाहिए था.
हाँ बेटा बोलो.
तो ये सारे जो क्वेश्चंस मैंने वो Q&A वीडियो के लिए डाला था ना स्टोरी अपने इंस्टाग्राम पे, तो सारा क्वेश्चंस आ गया है.
वेरी नाइस बेटा, इतना सारा क्वेश्चन किया तुम्हारा दोस्त लोगों ने. वाह वेरी नाइस.
हाँ वो एक्चुअली मतलब क्योंकि ये Q&A है ना तो सारे लोग मतलब एविएशन रिलेटेड या नॉन एविएशन बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन पूछे.
इतना सारा टाइम निकाल के दोस्त लोग तुम्हारा इतना सारा क्वेश्चन किया है, तुमको तो सबका क्वेश्चन का आंसर देना पड़ेगा, ये तो नहीं चलेगा.
अगर मैं सबका क्वेश्चन का आंसर दे दूं तो मेरा मतलब वीडियो इतना लंबा हो जाएगा. आई डोंट इवन नो, मे बी द वीडियो अबाउट टू सी इज गोइंग टू बी लॉन्ग.
अच्छा क्वेश्चन किया है देखो सबने. हाँ सिलेक्ट करना इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट, कौन सा बेस्ट है कौन सा नहीं है. देखो कितना सारा क्वेश्चन है.
पापा प्लीज आपको आपके पास आराम से दो.
ओके हमको कितना सिलेक्ट करना है बेटा पहले ये बोलो.
आपके पास आराम से 2 से 3 दिन है, ठीक है ना.
तो
3 days फॉर यू.
3 days
आप उससे पहले कर देंगे क्या?
नहीं उसका
फिर तो बहुत बढ़िया. चलिए ठीक है,
कल तक दे देंगे तुमको बेटा.
तो मैं आपको काम करता हूँ, ये सारे आपको मेल कर देता हूँ स्क्रीनशॉट
कर देंगे उसको.
ओके थैंक यू.
चलो बाय.
I could convince him. What better than that? All right, so the questions are finally with me. Let's get right into it. मेरे को कोई आइडिया नहीं है. Even I'm going to see it for the first time. टैबे वैबे ले रखी है, बजट कम नहीं है अपने पास. All right. So the first question is by Deval Tyagi. And I'm so sorry if I pronounce any one of your names wrong because please excuse me for that. But obviously the picture is coming up over here so you can identify it. He asks, which airline do you want to join after getting your CPL? यार to be answering this very honestly, मेरे को ना ऐसा कोई airline का fascination है नहीं. Having said that, I love Jet Airways. I had a dream of flying for Jet, but considering that it's not operating at the moment, I would join any airline that has aircrafts and vacancies. मेरे को ऐसा कोई fascination नहीं. You give me any aircraft that flies and I'll fly it. Qatar is also one of them. Emirates, Etihad, these companies I love. But yeah, initially any airline with aircrafts and who need pilots, I am there. The next question is from Enigma2499. Tips for a middle class student to dream of becoming a pilot. To dream of becoming a pilot, यार dream तो तुम्हारा है and everybody has the right to dream as big as they want. But if you're asking for tips, so that you can pursue your dream, so according to me, the biggest tip for any aspiring pilot is planning. In this particular career, प्लानिंग इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अगर तुम्हारे पास एक प्रॉपर रोड मैप नहीं है ना, एक प्रॉपर प्लान्ड डायरेक्शन नहीं है ना, तो इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू परस्यू, बिकॉज दिस पर्टिकुलर करियर इट्स जस्ट नॉट टाइम. देयर इज अनदर वेरी बिग फैक्टर इन्वॉल्व विच इज फाइनेंस. प्लान अहेड, प्लान योर वे कि हाँ मुझे ऐसा करना है. आई वॉन्ट टू ज्वाइन दिस पर्टिकुलर फ्लाइंग क्लब, मुझे इस पर्टिकुलर टाइप रेटिंग के लिए ये पैसा अभी से, जस्ट डू इट फ्रॉम बिफोर सो दैट द वे बिकम्स बेटर फॉर यू एंड स्मूदर फॉर यू. So yeah, that would be a tip for you, Enigma2499. Thank you so much for your question. The next question is from PNG_Krutix. This is underscore, right, Papa? It is underscore बोला तो?
Yes.
He asks, when will DGCA start exam? Okay. DGCA.
हेलो DGCA.
हाँ जी सर, मेरे को ना ऐसा एग्जाम सा देने हैं, तो आप लोग का एग्जाम कब से हो रहा है? आई नीड टू गिव माई एग्जाम्स एक्चुअली.
ओके, प्लीज कंफर्म योर कंप्यूटर नंबर.
बिल्कुल सर, आप नोट कीजिए मेरा कंप्यूटर नंबर. P. हाँ जी सर.
ओके, आप पर कभी इंडिया से एग्जाम नहीं दे पाएंगे.
अरे क्या बात बोल रहे हो सर, क्या बात बोल रहे हो? क्यों क्या हो गया?
पायलट बनना है ना, तो पहले पेशेंस सीखिए.
अरे यार, DGCA would never treat their students like that. This was just a joke. But having said that, मेरे को कैसे पता होगा यार? I'm at the same level as you are. Even I need to give my multi exam. So even I don't know when DGCA will start their exam. But yeah, as things are gradually improving, I'm sure they will come out with a proper, formal notice regarding it. The next question is from It's Samat Khan 2. भाई flying training के साथ पार्ट टाइम जॉब कर सकते हैं? यार हाँ, मतलब obviously you can do a part time job with flying. A lot of people do it. A lot of people do a full time job and fly, maybe once a week or twice a week. So it's not a problem, but be prepared कि तुम्हारा जो CPL का टाइम ड्यूरेशन है वो obviously बढ़ जाएगा. Actually हम लोगों ने भी ना ऐसे प्लान बनाया था, जैसे हम जमशेदपुर में थे ना, ऐसे बर्गर का ठेला देने का, बट यार फंड रेज नहीं हुआ. The next question is from Ronak1811. यार I love your DP, Ronak. It's very good. How to choose a flying school? Okay, the answer to this particular question is pretty long, to be honest, क्योंकि मतलब बहुत सारे points ऐसे दिमाग में रखना पड़ता है before you choose one perfect flying club. And according to me, no flying club that's perfect. सारे flying clubs के good and bad points होती है, and it's very hard to say one particular flying club. There are few points I would like to mention. One is the number of aircrafts. It's very important. The fleet size is very very important. The number of students. क्योंकि अगर फ्लीट तुम्हारे पास 10 हो और स्टूडेंट्स तुम्हारे पास 200 हो, तो डजंट मेक सेंस एनीवेज. द नंबर ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्टर्स और वेदर, लोकेशन, ये सब एक्चुअली बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स है. एंड रौनक, आई विल कम आउट विद अ डिटेल्ड वीडियो अबाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक. स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर दैट. दिस question is from Shruti Singh. Okay, to be telling about Shruti was my batchmate since grade 9th. We have been together in school. So yeah, she's a very dear friend of mine. She asks, who you dating right now? If not, do you have crush on anyone? ये क्वेश्चन आपने सिलेक्ट किया है पापा?
हाँ डेफिनेटली, हमको भी तो इन्फॉर्मेशन रहना चाहिए ना बेटा.
नहीं मतलब एडिट मेरे हाथ में, मैं काट दूंगा बाद में, दैट्स नॉट एन इशू. बट मतलब बापूजी खेल गए आप. But okay, to be answering that, I am not dating anybody at the moment. I am single and ये filter यार हटाओ यार, ये filter. I am single and I am very happy. If not you have crush on anyone, यार देखो वक्त पे ना भगवान मरते रहना चाहिए. And with that, I also have crushes यार. You might have crushes every day. You might have crushes every month. Just about liking somebody. तो ऐसा तो क्रश तो होती रहती है. बहुत controversial हो रही है तू. Ankit Roy 25 asks, what are the major requirement for class 2 medical? अगर ऐसे मोटा बोलूँ तो ऐसे वैसे तो क्लास 2 मेडिकल में सब कुछ चेक होता है. योर ब्लड टेस्ट, Then there are eye test, color blindness test, sound hearing test. According to me, one of the most major things required for any medical is your BMI. Your BMI has to be perfect if you want to get into commercial aviation. If not perfect, but at least not obese. तो ऐसा ना 25 अगर तुम्हारा BMI है, BMI is basically a ratio with your weight and your height. You can just Google it. तो अगर ये BMI 25 है, so it's normal, it's exact. अगर 25 से ज़्यादा है, that means you're overweight. और अगर 30 से ऊपर है, so you're obese. तो ओवरवेट और ओबीस के ये प्रॉब्लम है कि you have to do a lot more tests to prove that you're medically fit. So my advice to everybody is if you're going for your medicals, be it class 1 or class 2, try to reduce your weight and get your BMI into that range. Next question is from Masir William 201. BBC exams flying school से पहले clear करने चाहिए? Question mark. Well, firstly, William, I will have to mention this and thank you so much for this lovely art that you had created for me. It was very beautiful and I have already told you this, but it was worth a mention. Also, thank you so much to Ansh and Purnima. They have also created lovely arts and when you send these things to me, this little appreciation means so much to me. And all my love and all my support is with you guys. Anytime you need any help from me, let me know. And now, to answer your question, yes, I have done it. A lot of people do it and it is the best way to go about it. अगर तुम्हारे papers पहले से cleared है ना, तो it not only helps you in reducing the duration of a flying, तो तुम flying पे ज़्यादा concentrate कर सकते हो, है ना. और तुम्हारे पास एक burden नहीं रहेगा कि हाँ flying भी करनी है और papers के लिए भी पढ़ना है, you have to go and give your papers at particular center. तो वो ना burden हट जाता है. You can only focus on your flying. Next question is from Neha P_05. She asks, when did you first thought of becoming a pilot and why so? My love for aviation had started since I was a kid. So like I had mentioned in one of the videos, anybody who gifted me a toy, it was a car or teddy bear or anything, I used to play with it like it was an aircraft. Aviation में ना ऐसे बहुत लोग होंगे who will tell you that they watched the movie Top Gun and they were very inspired and that fire began in them about becoming a fighter pilot or a pilot. For me, one particular movie that really inspired me was Mausam. I know it's extremely cliche. It's a Bollywood movie starring Shahid Kapoor, and technically speaking, it was not a aviation movie, but the way they portrayed fighter pilots and a fighter pilot coming out of his aircraft, with that helmet and all, it really inspired me. And that was the time when actually I thought, okay, why not become a fighter pilot? And my love for the Indian Air Force had begun. But as I grew up, धीरे धीरे my understanding towards commercial aviation began, and I understood कि ये भी एक profession है, and over here also you get to fly aircrafts. So the next question is from Anushka. Where do you see yourself in next 5 years? By the way, you post amazing contents. Keep shining. Thank you so much, Anushka, for the lovely words. It means a lot to me. I don't keep very long-term goals. I believe in keeping short-term goals and achieving them. But now that I think about it, I would be standing on the gate of English bookstore at Connaught Place to buy my 4 stripes to put it on my shoulder. The AV geeks know exactly what I'm talking about. But whatever it is, whatever happens 5 years down the line, I can't guess it. But I just want to be happy and I want to fly airplanes. Up next, we have a question from Kuldeep Pandey. He asks, Bhai, is it matter fly in Cessna 172 or 152? Don't it make any difference in future? And about glass cockpit. Well, imagine this. The Hyundai i20 is a Cessna 172. And this, the Hyundai Santro, is a Cessna 152. Is there any difference between the two? Of course there is. Their sizes are different, their fuel consumptions are different, their weights are different, seating capacity. So there are a lot of differences. But is there any difference when you drive them or learn to drive? Not as much. Similarly, there are a lot of differences between the 152 and the 172. But when you're doing your training and you're learning to fly, I don't think it matters whether you're flying on a 172 or 152. What matters is how much you learn to fly and how better you learn about the aircraft you're flying. But having said that, the second part of your question is about glass cockpit. Well, there is a whole saying and thought in the aviation circuit that when you fly the conventional cockpit, your knowledge and understanding of the aircraft is more. I don't disagree to that. I have personally flown the conventional cockpit all throughout my training. When you fly the Garmin or you learn in a glass cockpit aircraft, when you go up to an airlines and fly jets, the Garmin training gives you an edge because these aircrafts are not conventional cockpit. They are all glass cockpit. Well, the next question is from Lioness Lipakshi. That's an amazing username, I must say. The question is, what made interest within you to open YouTube channel? Since the time I was in school, I was always into making videos and I loved editing and all of that. तो वो जो वीडियोग्राफी का कीड़ा था वो बहुत पहले से था. It was one of the hobbies that I had. But opening a YouTube channel started from the time I came into aviation. I realized coming into this field that there are a lot of misconceptions going around. So what I thought is, when I am myself learning through this whole process of aviation, why not I share that knowledge with all of you? I hope that could answer your question, Lipakshi. Thank you so much. The next question is from Sachin K064. Your family is highly supportive, thus you must be so grateful. Would you like to elaborate on this? I would love to elaborate on this, and I believe that it would do injustice if I am the only person talking about this. So why not let's go and meet my family. So this is my little family. All of you guys are already introduced to my father. Papa is here. That's my mom, and that's my grandmom. So talking about support, I feel I am really nothing without them.
Definitely nothing without us, क्योंकि तुम हम लोग का बेटा हो. पहले तो ये हम लोग नहीं है तो तुम कैसे आओगे?
No, but honestly, my mom has always been even till date, she's scared. Every time I take off, I have to literally call her. और मुझे बोलना पड़ता है कि मम्मी मैं take off, मैं जा रहा हूँ क्रॉसी पे कहीं भी, मैं आके ना I'll call you back. And if I don't,
लेकिन करता नहीं है कभी कॉल.
So yeah, that's very true that without these people I could not do anything. I mean, for even the smallest bit of thing in life or success in life, I think it is very important to have your elders and your parents support with you. And on that note, that's about it from my side in this particular video. If you all like the video, please do hit the like button, and also please do subscribe to the channel. And thank you so much for making me reach 500 and then 600 and a lot of more milestones to come. Let's keep a target of 1000 subscribers by the next month. I'll be very happy. For the questions I could not answer, I'm really sorry. इतने सारे questions थे, सारे answers करना मेरे लिए possible नहीं है. But
इसके लिए हमको सारा दिन शूट करना पड़ा, सारा दिन शूट का साथ लाइट फिटिंग करना पड़ा, हेल्प करना पड़ा. वो भी 15 क्वेश्चन का आंसर किया है मैं भी.
वो तो आप ही ने सिलेक्ट किया है,
तो इसीलिए तुम इससे ज्यादा होगा नहीं ना तुमसे.
अच्छा, मेरे से नहीं होगा. But yeah, thank you so much. And for the questions I've not selected, you can always reach me on my Instagram. I reply everybody. So yeah, say tata. Say tata. Bye bye. Scarlett 390 Duke asks, शादी कब कर रहे हो? नहीं, इस क्वेश्चन के बाद मैं 2 तरीके से शॉक्ड हूँ. एक तो मेरे पापा ने इस क्वेश्चन को सिलेक्ट किया. दूसरी बात, यार मतलब थोड़ा सा मुंह से क्या रख लिया, शादी का क्वेश्चन आ रहा है. मतलब 20 साल के लौंडे को तुम शादी का क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हो, शर्म नहीं आती क्या? यार मैं नहीं कर रहा ये सब. Jokes apart, this particular question has been asked by Rohit भैया. He's very close to me. He's like an elder brother to me. And भैया आप तो मतलब हर्ट कर रहे हो. एक तो मेरा कभी तक गर्लफ्रेंड भी नहीं हुआ, आप शादी का बात पूछ रहे हो. मतलब लगा मेरे को ये थोड़ा सा ना हर्ट सा हुआ. बट कोई नहीं, चलो.